So guys, if your PC is getting stuck at this screen saying getting Windows ready, don't turn off your computer. You are at right place, because in this video I will tell you how you can fix this screen. This is a very simple problem, but some PCs stuck at this screen. So let's get its solution. So first you have to find this button on your keyboard or on your CPU. If you're on a laptop, you have to find this in your keyboard, and in desktop this will in your CPU. So after this, press this button for 10 seconds and then leave it. If when you leave it, you will find your PC going shutting off. So then you have to what to do is to start your PC after a minute, and then your problem